Hello everybody, my name is Noel Miller, expert in self-care and specialist in exercise prescription. Now, I've been pursuing this idea of the perfect exercise for a few years now, and I guess it's time I share with you what that concluded to. So this means that in this pursuit, we had to go far outside the general box of fitness to be able to really push the envelope on what we can achieve with this style of exercise. Now, this style of exercise is very specific to the individual, meaning that we have to change the way that we apply it, specifically to the way that the person thinks about taking on life. This style of prescription then allows the person to improve their mental, physical, and emotional health from this specific exercise, essentially. As they become moderately okay at this, it has its secondary benefit. This would be that the environment around them starts being impacted. So the people that they surround themselves with will also start to change towards being healthier in that same way, but in a lesser degree than the person actually doing the exercise. This is the tremendous effect of the restorative aspect of this style of exercise prescription. And this year, my goal is to have at least 12 speaking engagements where I talk about this style of exercise prescription, as well as the self-care model that backs this style of exercise. I already have one down, a few more to go. So thank you very much for listening. Hopefully this is intriguing, as it should be, because it means that the way that we're going to approach health and fitness will also change. Thank you so much.